When you're asked to find the slope of the line for a given equation, it can be really easy if the line is already in y equals mx plus b form. If you remember, when y is all by itself and we have an equation solved for y, the slope is just the coefficient of x. So if I can take this line and solve for y so that y is isolated, then my slope number is going to jump out at me. It's just going to be the coefficient of x. So let's do it. If I want to solve for y, that means get y all by itself. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. I'm going to rewrite this problem down here so I have more space. Okay, subtract x from both sides so that I have negative 2y equals negative x plus 6. And I still am not quite there yet because y is being multiplied by negative 2. The opposite of multiplying is to divide, so I'm going to divide everything by negative 2. And now I'll have y equals negative x over negative 2 becomes positive x over 2, or you could think of that as 1/2, plus, let's see, 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. Okay, so this is the exact same equation, just rewritten. I just moved stuff around. I haven't changed any values, but now I can see that the slope number is whatever the coefficient of x is. And this one's kind of tricky because x over 2. Does that mean the slope is 2? Not quite. The slope is going to be 1/2. I'm going to try to put a little box around it. The slope is the entire coefficient. There's a secret x, or excuse me, a secret 1 in front of x there. So your slope number is not just x over 2, it's not 2. Your slope number is 1/2. This is your final answer. Slope equals 1/2. Again, the way you can do these problems, if you're given an equation and asked to find the slope, is to get your equation so that it's solved for y. Put it into y equals mx plus b form, and then the slope number is just the coefficient in front of x.